Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about changing the stigma around hearing aids today. Why do so many people still whisper the words hearing aids like it's a secret? Why is it that we wear smartwatches, fitness trackers, or the latest earbuds with pride? But when it comes to hearing aids, there is hesitation. Today, we are breaking that silence because the stigma around hearing aids is outdated and holding people back. Let's be honest, for a long time, hearing aids weren't exactly stylish. They were bulky, beige, noticeable. And society made it worse by linking hearing loss to getting old or losing an ability. So naturally, people began hiding it, pretending they were fine, avoiding conversations, laughing along even when they didn't catch the joke. But here's the thing, hearing loss isn't just about age. Musicians, athletes, young professionals, anyone can experience it. And avoiding it doesn't protect you, it just isolates you. Imagine constantly guessing what people are saying, nodding through meetings, avoiding phone calls, skipping family dinners. It's not just frustrating, but it's exhausting. Over time, untreated hearing loss impacts memory, relationships, and even mental health. And the irony is that we'll wear glasses without thinking twice, but a hearing aid? That's where people get shy. It's the same idea just for your ears. Modern hearing aids are total game changers. We are talking sleek, custom fitted, and nearly invisible. Some sit deep inside your ear, no one can even tell that you're wearing one. Others have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music, take calls, and they adapt to your environment automatically. They are smart, stylish, and miles ahead of what they used to be. So let's stop treating hearing aids like a compromise. They're a tech upgrade for your quality of life. Stigmas don't disappear overnight, but they start with conversations like this. What if we talked about hearing care the same way we talk about skincare or fitness? What if we saw hearing aids as a form of empowerment and not embarrassment? Maybe the problem isn't hearing aids. Maybe it's how we have been taught to see them. If you or someone you know is putting off hearing help because how it might look, let them know that modern hearing aids are discreet, powerful, and completely normal and accepted. It's time we change the conversation because confidence doesn't come from hiding. It comes from hearing clearly. Visit hearsapp.com or download the HearsApp app to get a free hearing test and explore a wide range of hearing aids. You can get hearing aids tailored to your needs at zero down payment with 0% EMI options. Don't let a stigma hold you back. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.